Let's clear up a big misconception. Budgeting isn't about saying no to fun. The word budget sounds boring, but it's actually your ticket to more happiness. Think of a budget as a roadmap for your money, like planning a road trip so you can hit all the best stops. It's not about restriction, it's about making sure you spend on what matters most to you. When you know where your money's going, you feel in control and less stressed. Instead of guilt, you get permission to enjoy your money because you planned for it. So let's ditch the old idea that budgeting is a chore. We're here to create a plan for the things you want to do, not a list of things you can't. Budgeting is about making your money work for you, funding your dreams, and giving you peace of mind. Whether it's a big vacation, a new hobby, or just financial stability, your budget is the tool to get you there. Let's explore a simple, flexible way to manage your money, one that feels like an adventure, not a punishment. Ready? Let's make budgeting fun. Most people think budgeting means less freedom, but it's actually the opposite. Without a budget, you're always guessing and stressing about money. Overspending in one area can leave you short for essentials. Talk about restrictive. A budget is just awareness. It's like turning on the lights in a dark room. You see where your money goes. Maybe you love your daily coffee, or maybe you'd rather save for a trip. The choice is yours, and that's real freedom. With a plan, you spend guilt-free, knowing your bills and savings are covered. Budgeting frees you from paycheck to paycheck stress and the anxiety of surprise expenses. It's not a cage, it's a foundation for the life you want. You don't have to give up what you love. You gain control and confidence. That's the real power of budgeting. If tracking every penny sounds overwhelming, try the 50-30-20 method. It's simple. Split your after-tax income into 3 categories. 50% goes to needs, essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, and transport. This covers your survival costs and gives you security. 30% is for wants, dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and treats. This is your lifestyle money, built right into your plan. The last 20% is for future you, savings and debt repayment. This includes your emergency fund, retirement, or paying off loans. The 50-30-20 rule balances today's needs, your happiness, and your future goals. No complicated spreadsheets, just a clear, flexible plan. It's a mindful way to make your money work for you. Start here, and you'll see budgeting isn't about deprivation. It's about balance. Let's see how it works with real numbers. Let's apply the 50-30-20 method to a monthly income of rupees 10,000. First, needs 50% of 10,000 is 5,000 rupees. That covers essentials: rent, groceries, bills, and transport. For example, 3,000 for rent, 1,000 for groceries, 500 for utilities, 500 for phone and transport. Next, wants. 30% is 3,000 rupees. This is your fun money: dining out, entertainment, shopping. Spend it however you like, guilt-free, because it's already planned for. Finally, future you 20% is 2,000 rupees. This goes to savings or paying off debt. Maybe you put it all in an emergency fund or use it to pay down a loan. Even small, consistent savings add up over time. By giving every rupee a job, you take control of your money. No more wondering where it went, now you know. This simple plan makes your finances clear and manageable. Try it with your own numbers and see the difference. Budgeting really can be this straightforward. Sticking to a budget is easier and more fun when you make it visual. Ditch the boring spreadsheets. Use a notebook, colorful pens, or even stickers to track your progress. Draw savings trackers or charts and color them in as you reach your goals. Saving for a vacation? Sketch a beach and fill in the waves as your savings grow. When budgeting becomes a visual game, it turns into motivation. Prefer digital? Use apps or custom templates with colors and graphs. Visual tools make your progress clear and rewarding. Try creating a fun fund, a savings goal just for something you love. Track it visually with a jar or a chart and watch your excitement grow. The key is to find a method you enjoy using. When budgeting feels like a game, you'll want to keep playing. Make your money journey something you look forward to. Once you have your 50-30-20 plan, make it easy to follow with automation. Set up automatic transfers for savings and bill payments right on payday. This way, your essentials and future goals are handled before you even think about spending. What's left in your account is truly yours for daily needs and wants. For extra clarity, use a separate account or wallet for your wants money. When it's gone, you know to pause until next month. No guilt, just boundaries. Download a simple budget template to get started. Remember, your budget can change as your life does. The goal isn't perfection, but progress and peace of mind. Mindful planning gives you freedom to enjoy today and build a secure tomorrow. Try it out, Adjust as needed and watch your financial confidence grow. Your happier money life starts now.